them. Spread out. Full spread. Full spread. West, east. Start walking inside of them. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. Get ready. Shallow on me. Get careful. My tanks. South on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is on me right here. Now walk into them. Walk into them. Stop them now. Everybody walk into them. Everybody walk into them. Mount up if you're far back. Start talking to them. They have cooldown. Full spread now. Full spread now. They have cooldowns now. Full spread. They're gonna run into a choke. My DPS, get ready to hit on me. Get ready potion. Full DPS. Careful, careful. Do not go into the choke. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Do not go into the choke. If you die at the choke, you deserve it. I'm pulling back. I don't care about you guys anymore. Pull them out. Pull them out. The rest of you go north. The rest of you go west. The rest of you go south. Let them pull. They miss. Walk in now. GA them. Hold them down. They're dropping everything. Can I get my GA? Can I get anything? Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Hit the shallow on me. No, come back. We have GA. We don't have GA. Come back. Spread. Defend front. Heal front. Fallen. Okay, walk up now. Drop GD. Walk up now. Guard rune. Come back west. Full defense on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right here. Defend the choke. Defend. Can I get a D-tank? Why is it? Grabe. Ayoko na. Everybody out. Ayoko na. Grabe, boy. Holy shit. 0 defenses. Oh my god. Fucking healers. No healing, bro. Fuck. Everything is nothing. Fuck. My DPS nothing. I thought when I had 10 people, I actually was playing better. Holy shit.